LHS, we have big news. It's official. Blue's going green.
This coming year, both high schools are going to reduce our effect on the environment by switching from styrofoam trays to a reusable option.
The trays we currently use up to 5 days a week take 500 years to decompose. With us using almost 2,000 trays for both schools, that's 10,000 trays a week, 25,000 years of decomposition in a landfill, worsening climate change, air pollution, and even water pollution. This switch of reusable trays will give us a new opportunity to help Mother Earth just a little bit more, and we can't wait to take you along the ride.
Not only is this option much cheaper over time, but it puts less work on our amazing staff. Using dishwashers frees up their time to give you a more quality experience with your lunch.
During COVID, schools across America struggled with labor and supply chain issues and were unable to get the proper supplies to produce school lunches. Some schools even resorted to only finger foods. To ensure that we always have plates and utensils, LPS decided to take this step.
Liberty can't wait to start helping, and we want you to get excited. Here's how you can help. First, you grab your tray and your food like you normally would. Once you're finished, find a designated drop-off box. Scrape your plate and utensils off in the trash can next to it and place them neatly inside the box for the staff to clean later. Remember, this is only a renewable source if treated right. Make sure to respect the process.